Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to uninstall app in Shopify. So just you want to uninstall app, just click on settings, and now after that just you have to go to the apps option. So simply you will find the app option in the left corner. Just simply click here, apps and sales. Now after that just simply open the app that you want to remove. So here you can see we have some app in list, so simply click on remove button. So now here you have to select the reason why do you want to uninstall this app, and just simply type the description here. After that click on delete button. So in this way you can easily uninstall app in Shopify.